Welcome back to the demo episode of the cloud computing certification. Previously, we discussed about cloud computing infrastructure and what kind of stuff or what kind of equipment exists inside cloud computing industry. And we get the concept that there are a number of vendors and they implemented a number of data centers in different regions of the world. You can consider Microsoft or Rackspace or Google or Alibaba or Amazon and a number of other vendors implemented their data centers around the globe. Here you can see that we have a Dublin data center of the Microsoft, and inside these data centers we implemented the rack and all kind of stuff and infrastructure which require for data centers is implemented inside these data centers, and we get the concept. We get detailed information that we have compute resource. Here you can see that we have compute resource in which we include a processor and memory. And the second major component of the cloud computing infrastructure is our you can say storage. And the third and more important component is networking, which include switches, firewalls, and routers, which are running inside the data centers. So let's get a bit demo about all those infrastructures so we can get more clearer scope about the cloud computing infrastructure. Or let me share a new screen with you so you can get demo about the. Here you can see. Let me remove this older stuff. So I'm going to share a new screen with you and get the basic demo about the cloud computing infrastructure. Here we go. Here you can see that we have a URL about Microsoft Azure portal, and the address is portal.azure.com, and I just logged in by using my credentials. And inside this window you can see that we have a number of options related to the IT infrastructure. Let go in more detail about the cloud infrastructure. Here you can see that I just click on more services and the new window will be appear in front of you. Here you can see that we have three major components you can easily find over here. Here you can see that previously three components discussed over here: compute, networking, and storage, and these three components are exist over here. So it means that I can create a complete virtual machine from here. I can create my personalized or customizable virtual machine, networking options, and storage account here from the portal. Definitely in coming episodes we will explore all kind of skills related to the deployment of cloud computing, but right now we are at the introductory episode. That's why we are just exploring the options which exist inside the cloud infrastructure. So previously in the slide I discussed, here you can see that I discussed the three major options. Here you can see that three major options, and these three major options can be easily verified from Azure portal. Here you can see that, and if I click on the compute option, there are other options related to the compute resources. We will definitely implement all those options in coming episodes. And here you can see that virtual machine exists. And in networking, here you can see that we are in the traditional infrastructure, we are using our physical switches, physical routers, physical firewalls, but here are the logical objects. Here you can see that virtual networks which will be work as a physical switches, and here you can see that we have firewall manager, we have firewall policies, we have web application firewall policies. So the concepts which we previously discussed, we can practically utilize all those options over here from this portal. And if I click on the storage option, here you can see that I can create a number of storage accounts as per my own requirements. So the concept which we get in the previous episode now will be more clearer when we are discussing about the cloud computing technology. So let's get back to the PowerPoint and see what we have new options. So here we get the basic components. Now it's time to explore about the applications. I told you that we have a number of collaboration applications, we have email solutions, we have backups, we have written disaster recovery solutions. So we can also explore in the demo all these applications which we discuss right now. So let me share screen again with you, so we can explore about the applications. Here you can see that here. So there are a number of web applications, here you can see that, and mobile application platform is available on cloud computing industry. Here the databases which is purely utilized for e-commerce or banking sector, and you can easily analyze that we have SQL databases, we have Azure databases, Azure SQL, Azure Cosmos DB, and numerous options related to the databases application. And here you can see that we have blockchain options, artificial intelligence, machine learning, Internet of Things. So when previously we discussed about the resources, so we categorize them in two major options. Number one is called hardware resources, and number two is called their softwares and applications, and both resources we verify here from the portal. So let's explore all these options with Google and see what kind of resources available on the Google platform. So we will discuss the same options in the coming episode, and all these options will be explored on the platform of Google. So let's go for the next episode.